You think that he's glitched, or is he being a douchebag?
I think it's little column A, little column B. Sure, move, you idiot.
Why?
I'm trying to get that sniper, man. Sorry. He's gone. Careful.
I'm trying to make it challenging.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Yo, Jer, you mind moving away? I'm trying to kill people. Yo, Jer, move out of the way. Let me kill people. Yo, Jer, move out of the way.
Jer, are you trying to be a dick, or does it just come natural?
Get sniped, man. Floor master, you're fucking retarded. I didn't appreciate that. This is should be a pretty supportive atmosphere and not being conducive to such.
Okay, you're
Not helping at all. Keep on getting in the way and I can't. Hey, Jer, move out of the way.
Yeah, thanks for blocking my view there, Jer.
My gosh.
Quit, bitch. Last time I'm gonna tell you, dude.
Jer, move. Jer, what the fuck, man? Do I know you, Jer, or something?
I think he likes you, man.
Yeah, I know.
He's definitely a flamer.
Promise that you'll vote for Ron Paul, I'll let you out.
Not a promise. I, Saga, will vote for Ron Paul.
I'm already voting for Ron Paul.
I, Josh, will vote for Ron Paul.
I, Cal, pledge to vote for Ron Paul.
I, Brandon Master, pledge to vote for Ron Paul.
I am voting for the damn guy. Just registered as a Republican today. Let's go.
Who the hell is that?
I support the gold standard.
I support the gold standard.
Fuck off, libertarian.
Ron Paul voting.
Let me out.
Oh god, we lose!
What the
Greetings! Welcome to another episode of Team Fortress 2 Trivia. If you can answer my trivia question correctly, I will let you out.
Alright,
Of
shoot.
the 7 wonders of the world, which wonder is the only one that has survived to this day?
Oh, crap. Pyramids?
Yeah, you got it. That's right. Great job. What's the capital of Spain? Madrid.
Mao Zedong, now let us out.
Legislative, executive, and judicial.
Patriots.
Germany. Brazil.
Italy. French gave it to us.
Name the capital of India, and I will let you out.
Hang on, I'm getting a hold of an admin now.
Are you asking what the capital is?
Legislative and judicial.
Hanging Gardens, Colossus at Rhodes, Great Pyramids. Now move your eyes.
Dude. Indian, Atlantic, and Pacific.
You're a fucking retard. Are you like some dropout fucking high school teacher?
Potassium.
Atlantic,
Pacific, and the Antarctic, you fuck.
Great Pyramids.
Is it Yilmaz?
The assassination of Franz Ferdinand. Nitrogen, nitrogen, nitrogen.
God, I'm glad there's smart people playing them games.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian.
Very good.
Sweet.
What is the capital of Egypt?
Cairo.
That is correct.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck, I got that right.
What organ in the body produces bile?
The gallbladder, it's the gallbladder. Open the door, it's the gallbladder. It's the gallbladder. Yes, it is. Liver. Liver. Pancreas.
There, it's the liver. It's the liver.
Dude, I have a guy sitting right next to me. He's a biology major. He said it's the gallbladder.
Is that so? Wow!
You are wrong, Olmec.
Wow, what's up now? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, you can't do it now, can you? Can you? Can you? Can you? You can't do shit, can you? Can you, faggot? You can't do anything, can you? Yeah, what's up? What's up? You can't do it now, can you? Yeah, yeah. Well, look at this. I'm blocking you from doing it. Yeah, yeah. Good luck, faggot. Well, guys, answer my trivia question. What's the thing of the thing, guys? What is the thing of the thing? What is the thing of the thing, guys?
You're more annoying than Olmec. Jesus.